Hi, I'm Manny De Los Reyes.
And I'm Mika De Los Reyes.
And we're from secondopinion.ph. With so many SUVs and crossovers flooding the market, one has to do something different to get on the radar of new car buyers.
With that in mind, we think MG is onto something with the all-new HS compact SUV. Let's take a closer look.
MG has come up with a compelling proposition in terms of looks, value, and performance.
The MG HS might not be so new by now, having been launched almost a year ago, but it's still as head-turning as it was when we first laid eyes on it. How can it not be head-turning, especially with this bright and blue color you'd expect to see in a sports car? Google Miami Blue Porsche 911 and you'll see what I mean. It starts with a handsome front end that would look at home in a Jaguar or Maserati. The side and rear sheet metal is reminiscent of a Porsche Cayenne or a Macan. The smart-looking LED tail lamps, 18-inch wheels with fat 235-sized rubber, and dual tailpipes complete the racy look. Inside, Recaro-like bucket seats, flat-bottom leather steering wheel, well-laid-out controls, eye-candy 12.3-inch LCD gauges, classy aluminum trim, and red stitching all over look like they came from a German sports car.
There's lots of headroom, legroom, and shoulder room even in the backseat. MG knows that Filipinos love their tech toys. The HS scores high with its dual-zone climate control, rear aircon vents, 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, mood lighting, power tailgate, and panoramic sunroof. It also has tire pressure monitoring, blind spot info, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change assist on top of the usual airbags, ABS with EBD, and parking sensors.
The HS packs a punch thanks to its 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine that puts out 169 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. If you want more go, hit the big red Super Sport button on the steering wheel and enjoy faster throttle, shifting, and steering response. The dual clutch transmission of the HS takes some getting used to. DCTs have their own distinct characteristic. It's not necessarily as smooth as a conventional torque converter automatic, but you get used to it. If you want that kind of responsiveness, you can always shift to manual and use the paddle shifters.
Despite the sporty looks and turbo engine, the suspension is definitely tuned for comfort. We spend most of the time driving to and from work or taking a weekend getaway, not setting fastest time at Clark Speedway.
Given how comfortable it is, I don't think you'll feel any fatigue, especially during long drives.
Impressively, the suspension softness does not come at the expense of a wallowy ride. There's some body roll, but not too much. For someone who's often in gridlock and only has few occasions to go fast, the HS has nailed the performance-comfort equation.
Starting at $1.2 million for the HS Alpha and topping out at a value-packed $1.3 for the flagship HS Trophy, the MG HS is a perfect choice for a one-car family.
We hope you enjoyed our quick look at the all-new MG HS. Once again, I'm Mika De Los Reyes.
And I'm Manny De Los Reyes. We're from secondopinion.ph. Thanks for watching.